Eagles are large, powerful birds of prey with keen eyesight and impressive hunting skills, found globally except Antarctica. There are around 60 species, including bald and golden eagles in North America, and harpy eagles in Central and South America. Eagles boast strong bodies, large hooked beaks, and powerful talons, paired with exceptional eyesight for spotting distant prey. They prefer habitats near large water bodies for abundant food and nest in tall trees or high cliffs. Carnivorous by nature, eagles primarily consume fish, small mammals, and other birds, with the bald eagle excelling in fishing. Eagles engage in aerial displays during mating, mate for life, and build large nests called eyries, adding to them yearly. Symbolizing strength and independence, eagles hold cultural significance and are featured in mythology and national emblems across societies.